And I don't have to go pick my son up until tomorrow now, so I think I might do a little tinkering on the Aveo. This car I got off my cousin for really cheap. It's a 200,000 mile car, more than that. Second motor, it's 5-speed, 4-cylinder, runs good. I need new tires, I need new front wheel bearings. What else? I gotta put a temperature sensor in it. I'm thinking about throwing like a half-ass grill guard on it because I'm a redneck. Why not? So I'm gonna start tearing apart the front end and we'll go from there. Okie dokie. Little change of plans towards the end of the day. My girlfriend's 2010 Jeep Patriot broke down and went and picked it up, and I discovered that it is throwing a crankshaft sensor code. So she's going to pick up the sensor and we're going to replace that today outside in the cold because the garage is full. Oh boy. Okay, after scouring the internet and finding the location of the crank sensor on a 2015 Patriot 2.0, it took half an hour to get any help. But anyways, for those of you wondering, your oil fill cap, it's right there. No need to scour Google for hours. I'm gonna see if I can move a couple things and get it pulled out. Got a new one here. Let's see how this goes. Okay, just gotta remove the air hose so you can get your hand down in here. You see that? Yeah, get your hand down in here. I didn't need an extension, but I used the ratchet to break it loose and then the socket to pull it out by hand. It's 10mm. It's pretty quick. Here's the old one. We'll get the new one put on and hopefully she fires up. Never a dull moment here. Can never get anything done. Always something else comes up. But hey, got the sensor in, got it plugged in. It's literally a 10-minute job at most. So I'm gonna risk it and try starting it. Oh, we should probably have the battery back up first. I'm gonna try starting it for the first time on camera. Tighten that down a minute. Okay. We're gonna look for check engine code. Come on, check engine light, go off. Well, started. Maybe it'll take a little bit for the code to clear. Do it one more time. Not quite sure if it's got to relearn the new sensor or what, but it's running now. Well, I suppose we'll shut the garage up and take her for a spin. So, best advice I have for anybody after our reading online, don't fucking buy one of these. They are shit. People have had this problem at 15,000 miles, 20,000. Hers made it to 86, so she's lucky. But still, it's 2015. Come on, it's only 5 years. Get your shit together, Jeep, Chrysler. Let's go. Not sure if I'll get back to it tonight, but I did get some holes drilled. I got my pipes slid back into a support. I'm gonna get some welding thrown on those before I throw the bumper on the supports. But we're gonna go run the Patriot around town and hope it makes it back. Well, YouTube, I think she's fixed. We're going to take this Jeep and trade it off in a few weeks to get a bigger vehicle, because between my girlfriend and me, we have 3 children. You can't fit 3 car seats in a Patriot. Shit, you can barely rely on a Patriot to stay running for you. I think we're gonna try to get her a GMC Acadia or maybe a Tahoe. We'll see what she wants, but I'm gonna do a little bit more driving around with this, and I'm gonna go home and see if I can edit and maybe upload this first vlog, and we'll see how it goes. I'm sure it's gonna be a mess, but everybody's gotta start somewhere. And this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, so it's about time I get off my ass and do it. I appreciate any likes, any views, any subscriptions I get. In the meantime, stay tuned, there's more projects coming.